Good morning all my friend. Today my first time use English version language. Basically, before I don't want to use English language because in English language is not my mother tongue, and I'm really use English language. So for this time I use English language for my friend all over the world. Especially, basically, all my friend is from like Philippines, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and now I met friend from Bhutan. Yeah, so I wish everywhere my friend with healthy condition, good condition, and still make a good relationship to me. And today I think my sleep is not very good because now I'm sleep after 12 o'clock in the night. So now I think I need to sleep again. Now I want going to a supermarket near my accommodation to buy something. Let's go. I will show the way go to Sheng Siong supermarket. In this video, I don't use text for the English, so it's naturally comes from my brain, from my head to speak English. So I'm sorry if I to arrange the word, I'm little bit messy like that. But I try to improve my English to be better than before. Now I'm in the middle of the field. The field is mean the parking of the truck and bus near the food court. So I'm walking in the middle to reach the supermarket to buy something for me. So I think I will show the way go to supermarket. This is the way go to supermarket, and this around me is bus, and this is my accommodation, and this bus parking. This bus parking is near my accommodation, and I plan looking for a hostel in the middle of the town. Yeah, basically I'm lazy to speak English because now I must study or course in Singapore about hospitality. Then after that, this push me to must speak English every day. So that's why I'm always speak English. And sometimes I forget when I visiting Malaysia. Mostly people use Malay or Melayu. I'm use English, so people see me like something different. But after that I realize, oh, this is I'm visiting Malaysia. I must speak Malay or Melayu. So I changed to speak Melayu after that. Yeah. Speak English now is always my daily activity in Singapore. So every day I must speak English. No day without English. So that yeah, my wish, my English is more better than before. Then always improve every day, improve. So I think it's good influence from me to everyday speak English. So I must always try to speak English very clearly, make people understand and make people happy when I speak with him like that. That's I try every day. I practice. So like this, I make a video about YouTube. I practice about my English. I want to see my English in the YouTube. How good or bad my English. Basically. And I think if we always practice every day, we can be fluently to speak English. But basically about the mother tongue, mother language is still Bahasa Indonesia, mother language. So I'm happy every day to speak English. Yeah, before I'm shy to speak English, but now the condition maybe to push me to speak English every day. And then I want to tell you about something, a little bit story. For the first time I'm arrived in Singapore exactly is 11 August 2019. Like, first I must stay in the hostel around 2 days. After that I'm visiting the school or course place, hospitality place, and then I give my document and everything, and then I enter the hostel. After that I'm waiting for attend the class. When I'm attend the class, I must introduce myself. Like about my name and everything. If I'm not mistaken, about hobby and the others. And I speak in front of the class. I must introduce myself. No, because I'm rarely use English, so I'm a little bit confused. But I try to be relaxed. But maybe people see I'm still confused, but I don't care about that. The most important, I must introduce myself with English language. After that, after finish, I'm state, and then I'm realize I think I must always use English every day, because before I don't want to use my English. Why the reason I don't want to use my English? Because in daily activity in my house always use bahasa, so I think I don't want to use English again. But when I started course in Singapore, that's pushed me always speak English, and so every day I must speak English. Sometimes I feel boring to speak English. Basically I'm boring sometimes to speak English, but with the this condition that push myself must be speak English. Well, basically I'm tired to speak English, because I must think about what kind of word I must arrange to speak English. But because before I'm ever go to English course, study an English course, so that's why for me a little bit simple to speak English. But I must be still practice about looking for new word in English, and then learn about everything about past tense, simple present, and the other simple continuous. That's I must learn again about that. So because I'm study with foreign nationality, with the other nationality, like from Philippines, Indian, Bhutan, Sri Lankan, and the others. So to make a daily activity, a daily conversation in the class, I must use English. So every day, in my opinion, no day without English. Every day English and English and English. So my opinion is positive impact for me. Yes, I think this was positive impact, because from that we can to improve again, and to new word in English, learn about new word in English and about everything. That's why my opinion, if every day we speak English, our language in English is will fluently. So, and the most important, we must learn from the mistake. Like for example, like this, I make a video with English language. I think there is a lot of mistake, but I am always learn about that. The most important, I must learn about that. I don't know, maybe because I'm happy to learn about English, and my hobby is learn about English. So that every day I'm always learn about English. Then I'm happy use English language, because before when I studying English course, every day I must speak in English. And today is Wednesday, and I must attend the school is 11 o'clock. So still a half hours more again. I must attend the school, and I use the leisure time to make a video in YouTube. I use my leisure time to make a video in YouTube, or I'm going to some place like to Malaysia to looking for something like a food and the other like that. Yeah, make a video is one part of my hobby. So I use my daily activity with positive activity. That's the way. And then I'm planning I'm planning make a video in another place too. But I'm still thinking which place I must make video again. Just thinking right now. Wait, I must stop a moment about the video. Yeah, today is 13th of November 2019. Man, in 1 month, more than one month again, we will entering New Year is 2020. So I wish in every days we can make some positive activity and be better in our life. And I wish we still healthy and got a nice day, still happy, and give a good influence to people surround us like that. And then at the end of the world, I want to say thank you to all my friends, and I wish all my friends in everywhere with still good condition, healthy, and always say happy. And have a nice to do it activity right now. To all my friends, see you again in my next video. See you again, my friend.